There are at least 300 million copies of Minecraft sold. What? The three things that changed in the last few years are vibe coding, browser-native gaming with web GPU, and AI asset generation. You don't actually need a 3D game engine anymore. You just need a prompt. This is a Minecraft-style game I built in 10 minutes. It has the same gameplay in terms of block breaking and building, day and night cycles, and voxel terrain. And you can actually play it in multiplayer online. This is how I did it. In this video, you will also find an AI tech stack of 5 tools that you can use to actually make your world playable and buildable and unique at the same time. What you need to do is go to Rosebud AI, click Voxel World, fork one of the first-person RPG templates, and start from what already works. You don't need to create this from scratch. Then you can add in your first prompt. Make the world snowy with pine trees and wolves that chase the player at night. Or add in something that adds your own twist to it. Ultimately, you need to stack the mechanics and keep building this up. You can try prompts like add a double jump, add a crafting menu with a sword, pickaxe, and a shield, make the world infinite, and all sorts of other things that make the world unique. Later on, you can figure out how to add in your custom assets. You can use an AI native asset generator, either through Rosebud with placeholders, or you can use Tripo Studio, Meshy AI, or even a free voxel pack like Kenny to actually substitute your assets. This is how you make it not look like every other Minecraft game out there. Most clones die because they look exactly the same as the original Minecraft. Here are ways in which you can actually make it unique. There are a couple of ideas and aesthetics that you could try and generate yourself and be assisted by a game engine in making so. For example, you could try a micro voxel template with a teardown and using tiny voxels instead of large blocks. You could try a cyberpunk or a beaverpunk aesthetic, or you could even try going to a backrooms horror kind of gameplay where it's an endless yellow voxel corridor, flickering lights, and footsteps behind you. All of these only take a couple of cycles of iteration and actually make a huge improvement to your gameplay. Once you outgrow the inbuilt generation on Rosebud, here's what I'd use to assist your creation. I would use models like Tripo 3D or Meshy for character creation. For textures, I would use CraftBench for block art or Polycam for PBR. For music, I would do Suno with an 8-bit prompt or SFX with 11 Labs sound effects. You can use talking NPCs with Conv AI, or free fill-in with the Kenny Voxel pack that I already mentioned. By the way, everything I just named has a free tier. You can literally make this game on Rosebud for $0. Every Rosebud project gets a public URL, so you can play it in browser without any downloads and without any sort of heavy compute. A paid pro tier grants you full commercial rights, and you can commercialize your project as you wish without Rosebud actually taking a cut. And the best thing of them all is that you can always drop your game onto the Rosebud Discord for feedback and iteration, even download it and submit it to game jams on itch.io. This multiplayer voxel template has over 18,000 forks, which means people actually shipped with this game. So if this seems interesting, I want you to do 3 things. 1, go to Rosebud AI and try making your own Minecraft world. You can literally start off for free and you'll know in 90 seconds whether you like this or not. 2, comment what you build. I do read all of the comments and I'd love to see your game. 3, if you actually want the full breakdown of all the links and all the resources and even prompts that I just talked to you about, go to our blog and get the full breakdown through our 5 voxel articles. I will leave the link here and also in the description. Thanks so much for watching and let me know what you would want to see next.